I'm looking at my days just passing by, getting stuck with things that don't really matter, you know? Always thinking there's gonna be more time tomorrow or next week. But that's not how it works. And I learned this the hard way recently. Time doesn't wait for nobody. Each moment I waste scrolling or putting off what matters is gone forever and ain't coming back. Those little voices saying maybe later or I'll start Monday, they're lying to me every single time. Nobody wants to tell you this truth because there's no money in people realizing how fast everything goes. I used to think I had forever to figure things out. Wrong I was about that. My life keeps moving whether I'm paying attention or not. The stuff I worry about most probably won't matter next year. But the dreams I keep postponing, those might never happen if I keep waiting. Every sunrise means one less chance to do something that actually counts for something real. My time's more precious than I ever realized before. I've been chasing all the wrong stuff this whole time. Productivity tricks and those feel-good posts on social media, thinking they'll fix everything tomorrow when I won't even do anything today. But here's what nobody tells you. Doing stuff isn't something you get to choose whether or not to do. You can't just put it off forever. That's not how any of this works. By the time I finish writing this, I don't know exactly how to quit giving away my time like it's free candy, before time starts running my life instead of me running it. All those motivational quotes, they don't do nothing if I just read them and go back to scrolling. Action ain't optional, never was. I used to think maybe tomorrow I'd feel more ready or have more energy, but that day never comes around. The solution been right there the whole time. Stop waiting for perfect conditions or the right mood. Just start doing something, anything that moves me forward instead of sideways. Time's gonna dominate me if I let it. I used to think time was my friend, but it ain't waiting for nobody. Every morning I wake up and the clock already started without me asking. Time don't care about my plans or what I was gonna do tomorrow instead of today. They tell you balance matters. That's what lazy people say when they scared to work hard, I think. Self-care sounds nice, but it never built nothing real. My potential sits there dying while I'm being balanced and comfortable. Deadlines are supposed to help me, except they don't really because I just make more lists. To-do lists everywhere, and none of them actually get done like they should be. Time isn't some river I can just float down easy. It's more like an animal hunting me down. Hesitation is what it eats for breakfast, and I've been hesitating way too much lately. The myths about taking it slow, they sold me lies that felt good to hear. Comfort is for people who gave up already. While I'm sitting here feeling safe, my dreams are rotting from the inside. Balance don't build empires, never has. It just make you feel okay about not trying as hard as you could have tried. Time forgives nothing that I waste. Every hour gone is gone forever and ain't coming back no matter what. I thought schedules would save me, but they're just boxes on paper. The truth hurt, but it's better than the lies I've been telling myself about having enough time later. I look around and see it everywhere, people getting trapped in stuff that holds them back. Three big ones really. There's social comfort, that thing where you just go along with everything because it's easier. Digital addiction, which, let's be honest, most of us got that one bad. Then there's the fear part, being scared what others think about you. Social comfort keeps you tiny. I've noticed this in myself too. You end up smiling and nodding at things, blending into the background, while other people who's taken the real risks, the ones you told yourself were too extreme or whatever. Then you got digital addiction. It stops you from thinking real thoughts or planning anything meaningful. Instead, you're just scrolling. Executing on ideas? Forget about it when your phone is always there. But fear of judgment, man, that one's the worst. It's quiet about how it works. This fear just sits there paralyzing you, stopping all your ambitions from going anywhere, while everyone else climbs right over where you're standing. They don't even notice because you're frozen in place. If we're being honest here, you're probably stuck in one of these, maybe even all three at once. I know I catch myself in them sometimes and have to actively fight against it. A year from now, life's gonna be whatever I make it, right? If I'm being honest, I've been putting off stuff for tomorrow, next week, next month. You know the drill. But what if I actually picture my life a year down the line with all these excuses still going strong? You'll pretty much look the same, wouldn't it? Maybe even worse, because at least now I've got the potential to change things. Painful realization, isn't it?
That knot in your stomach, it's like your brain's trying to tell you something. Ignoring it ain't gonna stop the clock. It's just gonna make sure I'm stuck in the same spot, looking back thinking, what if? Time keeps moving, whether I'm on board or not. So maybe it's time to swap excuses for action before the future me is having the same thoughts about present me. Regret is a heavy burden, one I'd rather not carry. So what's the first step? Tomorrow's here, isn't it? Been thinking maybe the truth I've been trying to avoid is that I'm the only one who's gonna get me moving. Nobody's gonna knock on my door and be like, hey, time to get started. It's all on me, and the clock's ticking. Each day I'm getting to decide whether I want to waste it or do something that actually means something to me. The thing is, there's gonna come a point where later ain't gonna be an option no more. And when that day comes, don't want to be looking back thinking, man, I wish I woulda. Want to be the one who can look back and go, yeah, I did that. So I reckon it's time to stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect mood. It's now or never. And I'm choosing now. Right here, right this second. It's all mine.